Okay, let's get this video up. Okay, suppose we want to enter the characteristics of this. So what could we be asked for? We could be asked for the zeros. We could be asked for the x-intercepts. We could be asked if this opens up or opens down. We could be asked for the vertex. We could be asked for the intervals where it's increasing or decreasing. Okay, so for the zeros, I could try and factor this, but I'm not going to be able to find two numbers that multiply together to give me -6, but at the same time add up to give me -2. They just don't exist, not any two integers. So I'm going to have to use the quadratic formula. So if I use the quadratic formula, then I'm going to solve, to solve this, zeros are going to be -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. So this is going to be giving me 4, and this is going to give me plus 24. Now, 24 plus 4 is 28. And the square root of 28 I can write as the square root of 4 times 7, which is the square root of 4 times the square root of 7. Okay. Now I can factor a 2 out of the numerator. And now the 2's cancel. So I have two zeros. They are 1 plus the square root of 7 and 1 minus the square root of 7. These are exact answers. And if your instructions say to give the exact answer, then if you put a decimal in, that will be counted wrong. And to put this in a test or in WebWorks, you do 1 plus SQRT, then enclose the 7 in parentheses. Okay. Now, will we have x-intercepts? Well, these are real numbers. There's no I involved, so I do have x-intercepts. I have 2. And the first one will be here. It's that point. And the second one will be that. Okay. Will this open up or down? Well, the leading coefficient is understood to be +1, so it will open up. What is the vertex? Well, the vertex is going to be, well, first I need to find the point -b over 2a. Okay, so that's going to be negative of -2 over 2 times 1. So the negative signs cancel, the 2's cancel, I get +1. So that's the x-coordinate of my vertex. Now I need f of that, which is going to be f evaluated at 1. And so I go back here and I plug in 1. So it's going to be 1 minus 2 minus 6, 1 minus 8, which is -7. So my vertex has coordinates 1, -7. And so it will be here, and it will be a minimum. So my graph looks something like that. And so that's going to be at 1 plus square root of 7. That's going to be at 1 minus square root of 7. This is decreasing when x comes in from -infinity up to 1. And it's increasing, we're going uphill when my x values are greater than 1. right, so that covers about all of the characteristics that we could have for that one. Okay. And so I'm going to stop the video.